Having a recipe system for the carriers for our products is very important, particularly because it is the most streamlined option available. We want it to be ease of use and ease of access for all of our team members without having to go through specific training.
So this is our system overview. We're standing right now between the load and unload. We take our products through the certain paint carrier strategy to load them onto the paint line based off the recipe. Once we load those production orders in, they'll go down and around into this middle area and do a 180-degree turnaround into the auto wash. We have a 5-stage auto wash system. It'll take those metals, strip it all the way down off, reduce all the dust, grease, and grime to where there's nothing but just bare metal. It'll then go into the dry-off oven. The production will come up to about 150, 175 degrees to burn off all that residual oil and chemical. And then it'll go into our E-room and in our paint booth. We have our first paint booth, which is our robot paint booth. We have 2 robots provided by Fanuc. The entire paint system is provided by Nordson. The second paint booth is our touch-up. Typically, our ratio is about 95% where everything's automated, and then 5% of that is touch-up or manually covered. Once all quality checks have been made in our manual, it'll then go into our cure oven. Now this inner loop here is another opportunity for us to expand into different types of products that require a 2-coat paint. When we do that, it'll go into a gel oven that'll bring it up to about that 200-degree temperature mark, bring that paint up to a sticky, tacky texture, and then it'll go back into the paint booth to apply a second coat. Same through the robot, another touch-up in manual, and then go into the cure oven. Cure oven will bring that production close up to 375 to 400 degrees, 35 minutes total of cure, and then another 10 to 15 minutes of cool down on this top line area, and then into our unload. Once it comes off unload, we move that product into our assembly.
So far, the overall production has been going very smoothly.